How to open a business account at FNB Bank. Follow these steps. Decide which FNB business account suits your needs. Gather required documents: ID, proof of address, tax details, and business registration documents if applicable. Visit the FNB website or nearest branch to start the application. If applying online, go to the Business Accounts section and select your preferred account. Complete the online form with your business and personal details. Upload or provide copies of the necessary documents. Wait for FNB to verify your details and approve your application. Once approved, receive your account details and business banking card. Set up online banking and mobile banking for easy transactions. Start using your business account for payments, deposits, and other banking services. Thanks for watching.